Thank you, Grant. On March 1st, remember the day, because more than 2,000 high school girls from across the state will gather at the Mountain America Expo Center in Sandy for one of the largest STEM events for girls. It is called SheTech.
And it's so great for our state. We've got Sarah Jones here from the Women's Tech Council, and you're going to talk a little bit why this is so crucial, not only to, our daughters, but to the state as a whole, our economy.
That's right. Thanks, Lori and Ladd. Women Tech Council is so excited about SheTech next week. It's March 1st at the Mountain American Expo Center. And we're expecting almost 2,000 high school girls to come this year, yeah. And one of the reasons that it's so important is we have 4,000 STEM jobs that are open in the state of Utah and not enough talent to fill those jobs. So at SheTech, we get the girls really excited about STEM. We help them see how fun and interesting and creative it is by making sure they get hands-on projects that they get to work with.
And I know that even in rural Utah, this is very important that we get all the state involved and young women from everywhere.
That's right. We've had over almost 10,000 girls go through SheTech, and at SheTech Explorer Day, they get to see how fun and interesting it is. And over 90% of the girls, after coming to SheTech Explorer Day, are more interested in STEM after attending.
And that's exactly what you want from them as well, right?
Exactly. And it's thanks to our great mentors, actually. Yes. So we brought some of the projects that they're actually going to do next week at SheTech and our great companies that are going to be there to support the day.
Okay, so let me introduce them. This is Violetta from Utah Valley University. Thank you so much for joining us. And you've got an origami.
Yeah, so these are modular origami, and the girls will make this smaller one, and this is the challenge one. But the point is, they need to use mat to make this modular origami in such a way that at each of these vertices that you see here, dots, the edges needs to be with 3 different colors.
Wow.
Okay.
So that's the challenge that they're facing.
And that's not an easy challenge.
Oh, it's not an easy challenge.
No, I wouldn't think so.
But mat will help them to solve it.
Very cool.
All right, next up we have Christy from Foos Play.
Moving along here.
Let's talk a little bit of what you brought. This is a hackable toy.
A hackable
so
frisbee.
coding, right?
Yeah, and we're going to start with the glasses. So put on the glasses. Okay. This is Zuby Flyer. Zuby Flyer is a hackable frisbee that teaches coding. And it is the #1 tool for pre-K through 12 learning computer science and bridging those skills gaps. Lots of buttons, fun things you can do just to get that intro into coding and electronics. Yeah.
Awesome.
And so you go, what exactly are you hacking
Okay,
here?
so the frisbee. So on the back you have buttons. You have 1, 2, and 3. And on the front you have shapes, triangle, square, and circle. And if you move through the color-coded game menu, right now I'm on a specific game, name that tune. And I'm going to select it by pushing 2. Now that I'm in the game, I'm going to use the buttons on the front. So kids are learning sequencing.
Oh, okay.
And I'm going to select a game, or a song actually. And you can hear that's Flight of the Bumblebee. So it's classical music. But what's cool is that you can also connect this online. And kids can learn real skills universally throughout the world, coding and...
Love it.
Yeah.
All right.
I'm sold.
Plus, the glasses are very cool.
Yeah, cool things with the lights.
Yes, they do. And I really like the classical music. All right, we've got Tracy Chelsea here from US Synthetic, and we're talking diamonds.
Yes. So this is one of our press machines, and using Mother Nature's, duplicating Mother Nature, using pressure and heat at 1,000,000 PSI, we create diamonds in about 8 to 10 minutes. Right up here is some of the diamond cutters that we make, also some men's wedding rings, diamond rings, and this is a drill bit that our cutters are fused into for the gas and oil drilling.
Well, that's exactly what they use, right?
Yes.
Because diamond, of course, is one of the most sharpest
cut anything with it, right?
Yes, and it cuts through everything. And next week at SheTech, our girls are actually going to get hands-on experience with these. They're going to take Skittles and press them into cubes and see how it works.
Oh, that's awesome.
Hands-on, so they're going to love it. That's their favorite part.
So exciting.
And if I need a new wedding ring, this is the machine that will help out with that.
This helps.
Sarah, so
you can see
great
how fun and interesting it is. I mean, their workshop is called Diamonds Are a Girl's Best Friend. Right? So the girls sign up for it. I mean, that workshop fills up really fast. And there's going to be dozens of workshops like this, lots of hands-on booths. The girls are going to have so much fun. And we just want to remind parents and educators, this is the last week to get them registered. Okay. And they do not want to miss out on these really fun projects that they get to do.
All right, Sarah, thanks so much for joining us. All of you, ladies.